Are you curious about what sets millionaires apart from the average person? It's not just hard work and luck. In fact, there are certain truths about the way most millionaires build their wealth that might surprise you. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 of these surprising truths and exploring the habits and mindsets that have helped these individuals achieve financial success. Whether you're just starting out on your wealth-building journey or looking to take your finances to the next level, this video is a must-watch. So sit back, grab a notebook, and get ready to discover the surprising truths about how most millionaires build their wealth. 1. Millionaires are masters of frugality. Most millionaires are frugal and avoid unnecessary expenses, even if they can afford them. Millionaires understand that accumulating wealth requires more than just earning a high income. They practice frugality and avoid excess spending, recognizing that every dollar saved can compound over time. They are mindful of their expenses, even if they have the means to indulge in luxury. They understand that each unnecessary expense is one less dollar they can invest in their future. They see the value in living below their means and making smart financial decisions. In this way, they create a cushion of savings and build a foundation of financial stability, which allows them to invest in opportunities that bring them closer to their financial goals. Millionaires understand that wealth is not just about earning more, but also about spending less. A prime example of a millionaire who embodies this frugal mindset is Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Despite being one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, Buffett is known for his simple lifestyle and avoidance of excessive spending. He still lives in the same house he purchased in 1958 for $31,500 and has a modest car collection. He famously once said, "If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need." This quote perfectly captures his frugal philosophy and highlights the importance of avoiding unnecessary expenses in building wealth. 2. They leverage multiple streams of passive income. Millionaires understand the power of passive income in building wealth. They know that relying solely on a single source of income limits their potential for financial growth. As a result, they seek out opportunities to create multiple streams of passive income, such as rental properties or investments. By having more than one source of income, they can lessen their reliance on any one source and lower their overall financial risk. Also, passive income streams give them a steady way to make money that can grow over time without them having to do anything. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, financial expert Robert Kiyosaki shares his insights on the key to building wealth: having multiple sources of income. He states that the rich don't work for money, but instead have their money work for them through passive income streams like rental properties and investments. Kiyosaki encourages readers to think beyond the traditional 9-to-5 job and to focus on creating passive income. By following his advice, readers can develop a wealth-building mindset and achieve financial freedom. Kiyosaki's teachings have inspired many individuals to take control of their financial future. So if you want to learn the secrets to millionaire wealth building, don't miss a single moment of this video. Make sure to watch until the end to uncover all the surprising truths about how most millionaires build their wealth. 3. Embracing change is a millionaire habit. Millionaires are known for their adaptable nature and their ability to embrace change. They see change as an opportunity, not a threat, and are always looking for ways to turn new situations into opportunities for growth and success. As financial expert Steve Siebold explains in his book How Rich People Think, millionaires have a high tolerance for uncertainty, which sets them apart from those who fear change and cling to their comfort zones. In order to build wealth and succeed in life, millionaires understand that they must be open to change and willing to take calculated risks. They are constantly seeking out new information, opportunities, and experiences to help them grow and evolve. This mindset is key to their success and has allowed them to build wealth and financial freedom. By embracing change and taking calculated risks, millionaires are able to remain at the forefront of their industries and stay ahead of the curve. They know that success is never static and that they must continually evolve and grow in order to maintain their wealth. If you want to follow in their footsteps and achieve financial success, it's important to embrace change and cultivate a high tolerance for uncertainty. 4. Self-education is the norm. Self-education is a key aspect of millionaire success. Unlike the common misconception that high levels of formal education is the only path to success, many millionaires never reached the highest level of education, but taught themselves through books, courses, and mentors. The desire to learn and grow is a common trait among millionaires, and they know that education never ends. According to a survey by Thomas C. Corley, author of Rich Habits, The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, Nearly 85% of self-made millionaires are self-educated, reading books, attending conferences, and taking courses to improve their knowledge and skills. This shows that formal education is not the only path to success and wealth, and that self-education is a common habit among millionaires. By constantly seeking new knowledge and opportunities for growth, self-educated individuals are able to stay on top of their game and create more opportunities for themselves. Books and courses play a significant role in the self-education journey, as they offer a wealth of knowledge and practical insights. Millionaires know that they can get ahead faster if they learn from people who have already done well. That's why they seek out mentors and advisors who have a track record of success and can offer guidance and advice. 5. Networking is a non-negotiable. According to a survey conducted by Thomas Stanley and William Danko in their book, The Millionaire Next Door, nearly 80% of millionaires identify networking as one of the key factors in their wealth-building journey. They actively seek out new connections, whether it be through industry events, professional organizations, or even personal hobbies. These connections can lead to new business opportunities, access to valuable knowledge and resources, and even potential joint ventures. Millionaires know that building a strong network is essential to unlocking their full potential and achieving their financial goals. By prioritizing networking and continuously expanding their network, they are able to open doors and create opportunities that might not have been available otherwise. But don't just take our word for it. Immerse yourself in the teachings of the experts by checking out the books mentioned in this video. We've included links to all of them in the description, so you can dive deeper into the wealth-building strategies that millionaires embrace. Reading these books will give you a greater understanding of the millionaire mindset. 6. Excessive lifestyles are often avoided. Millionaires understand the value of avoiding excessive lifestyles and saving their resources. They don't believe that living in high-end neighborhoods or driving luxury cars is necessary to maintain their wealth. In fact, many choose to live modestly and prioritize savings and investments over material possessions. They understand that living below their means and avoiding frivolous expenses is a key component to building and preserving wealth. By keeping their lifestyles simple and focused on their financial goals, they are able to stay disciplined and focused on their wealth-building journey. Have you heard the story of Mike Tyson? The former heavyweight champion boxer was once worth over $300 million, but his extravagant lifestyle caught up with him, and he filed for bankruptcy in 2003. Tyson famously spent money on exotic pets like Bengal tigers and luxurious homes, cars, and jewelry. But he wasn't the only one. Many millionaire celebrities and athletes have fallen victim to excessive spending, only to find themselves in financial turmoil later on. So it's no surprise that most millionaires avoid such lifestyles and prioritize smart money management over temporary pleasures. 7. Bold moves are a path to wealth. Ready to make bold moves for wealth. Millionaires are not afraid to make big, bold decisions, even if it means going against societal norms. Instead of playing it safe, they take chances and step outside their comfort zones, recognizing the substantial rewards that come with risk-taking. From investing in new business ventures to pursuing unconventional career paths, these risk-takers chart their own course toward financial prosperity. One such example is that of Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. Musk's vision of a sustainable future, with electric vehicles and colonizing Mars, was considered bold and unconventional at the time. Despite the naysayers and doubters, Musk took a leap of faith and invested heavily in Tesla, turning it into one of the most valuable automakers in the world. He also founded SpaceX with the goal of reducing the cost of space transportation and making humanity a multi-planetary species. Musk's bold moves in the face of uncertainty have not only changed the world but also made him one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. These are the types of bold moves that millionaires are willing to make in order to reach their financial goals and build wealth. 8. Money psychology is understood deeply. Millionaires understand the power of their own mindset when it comes to building wealth. They have a deep understanding of the psychology of money, recognizing that their beliefs and habits around finances have a major impact on their financial success. These individuals use this knowledge to their advantage, making smart financial decisions that align with their goals and values. Whether it's saving a portion of their income, investing in assets that grow over time, or seeking out financial advice from trusted sources, millionaires are intentional about building a strong financial foundation. If you're looking to understand how millionaires use their mindset to make smart financial decisions, we highly recommend The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. In this insightful book, Housel delves into the various emotions, biases, and psychological factors that drive our relationship with money. It explores the ways in which our upbringing, experiences, and beliefs shape our attitudes toward wealth, as well as the common traps that can lead to poor financial decision-making. With a combination of research, storytelling, and humor, The Psychology of Money provides a fresh perspective on the role of money in our lives and offers practical advice for improving our financial well-being. 9. Giving back is integrated into success. Success isn't just about building wealth for you, it's about making a positive impact on the world. Millionaires understand that the more they give, the more they receive, and that their wealth is a tool for doing good. Whether it's through philanthropy, volunteering, or supporting causes they're passionate about, millionaires prioritize giving back as an integral part of their success. This mindset not only benefits the world, but it also creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By giving back, they are able to leave a lasting legacy, making a difference in the lives of others. Additionally, giving back allows millionaires to connect with others and create a community of like-minded individuals who are working towards a common goal. A well-known example of a wealthy individual who prioritized giving back is Warren Buffett. He pledged to give away 99% of his fortune to philanthropic causes during his lifetime and beyond. He and Bill Gates established the Giving Pledge, a commitment by wealthy individuals to give away at least half of their wealth to philanthropy during their lifetimes or in their wills. This gesture serves as a testament to the idea that giving back should be integrated into success, and that wealth can be used to make a meaningful impact on the world. By setting this example, Buffett and other philanthropists demonstrate that success is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about using it to create a better world. 10. A strong support system is crucial. Elon Musk, the self-made billionaire, understands the importance of a strong support system. He recognizes the value of seeking advice and guidance from mentors, financial advisors, and trusted friends in order to make informed decisions and achieve success. Just as an athlete has a team of coaches to help them perform at their best, the wealthiest individuals have a network of support to help them navigate the complexities of finance and business. They are not afraid to reach out for help and are always seeking to improve their knowledge and understanding of their chosen field. By leveraging the wisdom of others and building a network of trusted advisors, they are able to make better decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and achieve their financial goals more quickly. Whether you are just starting out on your wealth-building journey or are well on your way, a strong support system is crucial to your success. To build a strong support system, take advantage of modern technology. Utilize online resources, such as social media and networking platforms, to connect with mentors, advisors, and like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. Joining online communities and participating in discussions can provide valuable insights and resources, while also allowing you to collaborate and exchange ideas with others. Also, think about using online tools and apps for financial planning to help you track your progress and remain consistent with your plans to build wealth. The power of the internet and new technologies makes it easier than ever before to build a supportive network that can help you achieve financial success. Write the word book in the comments section below to show that you are committed to changing your mind about money. This small act shows how much you want to become a millionaire. Take the next step in transforming your financial future by watching our latest video, 10 Habits to be a Millionaire on a Low Salary. Don't miss out on these proven strategies to increase your wealth. And if you find value in this content, don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips.